Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. So we are again back with our chapter 3 pronouns. So we have already discussed the four kinds of pronouns, that is demonstrative pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronouns and interrogative pronouns. So today we are going to deal with reflexive pronouns, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun and relative pronouns. So students, what does reflexive pronouns mean? Pronouns such as myself, herself, yourself, itself always refer to the subject in a sentence. Okay, and these words are called reflexive pronoun. So basically it is used when the subject and the object refer to the same person. For example here, I saw myself in the mirror. Zeba managed to save herself. Please you help yourself. So you see students, all these pronouns like herself, yourself, myself are referring back to the subjects of the sentence like I, Zeba, please, you. So you see all these words are reflexive pronoun. Why? Because they are referring back to the subject in the sentences. Now coming to the distributive pronoun, so this pronoun is always singular, okay, and we use it with a singular noun and verb. And we use this pronoun to describe all the members of the particular group. And the examples of distributive pronouns are each, every, either, neither, everyone, none, any, etc. Okay, these are the most commonly used distributive pronoun. So you see, two examples are given here. Each of them took turns to help out with the project. Either of you can take the free passes for the show. So here the words each and either both are the examples of distributive pronoun. Why? Again, the pronoun is always singular and here it is used to describe all the members of the particular group. Now coming to the indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronouns are pronouns that refer to persons or things in a general way. Okay. So unlike personal nouns like he, she, I, you, indefinite pronouns do not refer to a specific person or thing, okay, which is already named. So they are indefinite words like someone, others, anyone, several, few, etc. See here I have used two examples. Anyone can solve this problem. Someone please help her. So the words like anyone, someone, as I have told you, are the examples of indefinite pronoun because I am not mentioning here any particular person. Okay, these are indefinite words. So it can be anyone. Now coming to the last one, that is relative pronouns. So a relative pronoun is a pronoun that heads an adjective clause. Okay, the relative pronouns are like which, that, who, whom and whose. Okay, so here are some simple examples given like the dog that stole the pie is back. Please read the poem that Wordsworth wrote. Then the boy who came with my father yesterday is my brother. So you see the words like that and who are the examples of relative pronouns. So that's all for today, children. Our pronouns chapter is complete now. So if you have any problem, you can definitely ask me in the live session. So thank you.